My name is Jerry Franz and I'm the Distribution Segment Manager at Orscheln Products. Today we're going to be talking about our cable assembly program called F.A.S.T. Well, F.A.S.T is a cable assembly network of builders. They build cables. The word F.A.S.T, or the acronym F.A.S.T, stands for F.A.S.T Assembled Systems Technology. The important thing of a F.A.S.T assembly program is the fact that it's customizable. Not only for the assembler is it easier to manufacture with less inventory, it's also quicker for the end user because we all know time is money. Orscheln has 110 distributors around the world that do our cables F.A.S.T. All of them have the capability of doing the 3, 4, and 6 series push-pull cables. Some have the capability of doing other types of cables as well, such as parking brake cables, light-duty cables, an 8 series heavy-duty push-pull cable. Some have the capability to also do shifters and dipsticks. If you have any further questions about the Orscheln F.A.S.T system, please reach out to us. If you're looking for a distributor to build a cable for you, we have a locator on our website. And if you would like to become a F.A.S.T cable assembler, just let us know. We'd be glad to talk to you.